How you doing? Nope, I'm not Bert. I'm not Ernie either. I'm the Lawnmower Lady, and I like fixing small engines. Today's quick tool tip is about a special tool that Tecumseh makes for their older engines. If you work on these, or if you even have one, you do a lot of work on your engine yourself, it's a nice tool to have. Makes carburetor rebuilding and cleaning a whole lot easier. Follow along. Today's quick tool tip is on a special tool for Tecumseh carburetors. If you do a lot of work on those, or even if you own one and do your own work, it's kind of handy to have. The tool looks shockingly like a crochet needle, and that's exactly what it is. They modify a crochet needle, they pound it into a piece of brass. It is Tecumseh tool number 670377. Serves three purposes. The first one is the crochet needle end. That is used to remove the needle seat. It's a rubber tip. They do wear out. I'm not going to pull that out, but you push it in, hook it on, and pull it back out, and then you'll wind up with the needle seat stuck on the end of your crochet needle there. The other end of it is actually to install the new needle seat, and that end of it, these are kind of loose because these are all worn out, but this hooks on the end right there, and then you would push that right into the valve intake, and that will set that seat in there. The last use for the tool is actually to use it as a gauge to set your float height on these older brass floats. I'll show you how that works. Alright, now that I've reinstalled the float and the needle and put the hinge pin back in there, this tool allows you on the flat side, and you go right across from where the hinge is, and you lay that on there, and you can see that there's just a hair of clearance there. That float should come down and just touch that. It's real close, but what you're adjusting on here, and this is a new, there's a tab right there that you can bend down or up with a small screwdriver, or gently bend that in if you wanted to adjust the height of your float. Alright, so there you have it. That's today's quick tool tip video. If you like the video, please push the like and subscribe button, and I can make more of these videos. Remember, I'm the Lawnmower Lady, and as I like to say, mow happy. Thanks for watching.